It is an insightful video where we will explore the functionalities and possibilities offered by the map object in JavaScript. Subscribe the channel if you are interested in short JavaScript tutorials. Let's start. In JavaScript, the map object is a powerful data structure that allows you to store key-value pairs. It provides a convenient way to store and retrieve data based on a unique key. To create a new map, simply use the new map syntax. You can then add key-value pairs to the map using the set method. For example, you can set the value of a key like this, studentMap.set. To retrieve a value from the map, you can use the get method and pass in the key. For example, map.get1 would return Honarsel. One key advantage of using the map object is that you can use any value, whether it's a string, number, function, or even an object, as a key. This makes it a versatile data structure for various use cases. You can also check if a key exists in the map using the has method, which returns a boolean. To delete a key-value pair from the map, you can use the delete method. The clear method removes all elements from a map object. Another useful feature of the map object is its size property, which returns the number of key-value pairs stored in the map. Unlike objects, maps retain the order of the elements, which means you can iterate over them in the order they are inserted like array. This can be handy when you need to maintain a specific order or when you want to perform operations on each key-value pair. In addition to the basic operations, there are other methods available in the map object, such as the keys, values, and entries methods. These allow you to retrieve all the keys, values, or key-value pairs from the map, respectively. You can also use the forEach method to iterate over a map and perform a specific action for each key-value pair. Also, you can do iteration with for off loop on map as shown. In conclusion, the map object in JavaScript is a powerful tool for storing and manipulating data based on key-value pairs. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more JavaScript tutorials and tips. Happy coding!